Welcome to your complete guide for using the Wedding Planning Contact Collector template. I'm excited to show you how to personalize this template in order to collect wedding guest contact information. You'll learn everything you need to customize and publish your questionnaire. When you purchase this template, you receive a Google form, a Google spreadsheet, customizable Google Drawings header templates, and customizable Canva header templates. Let's dive in. First, let's get everything copied to your Google Drive and Canva account. Click on each link from your PDF and select Make a Copy for Google Forms, Google Sheets and Google Drawings and View Template for Canva. You only need a free Google and Canva account for all parts of this product. Rename everything immediately. Templates use Melissa and Michael as placeholder bride and groom names. Now for the fun part, creating your custom headers. For Google Drawings, simply click on the name and change it to your couple's names. For photos, click Replace Image then Upload from Computer. To match your party colors, click on the paint icon then pick a custom color and pick from your photos. For icons, select Format Options then Recolor, and choose the recoloring option that matches your wedding theme. For font color, select Text Box and click the A icon to change color. Once you're happy with your design, click File, Download PNG image. Save it to your computer. For Canva, simply click on the name and change it to couples' names. For photos, click Upload and select your images directly from your computer. To match your party colors, click on any colored element and choose from the color palette. Canva even suggests colors from your uploaded photos. Once you're happy with your design, click Share, Download PNG. Save it to your computer. You'll need this next. Back in your Google form, click Customize Theme and scroll to the header section. Remove the placeholder image and upload your new Canva or Drawings design. Google Forms automatically extracts colors from your header and suggests matching themes. Choose colors that complement your design. Your form now has a completely personalized look that matches your party aesthetic. The questionnaire comes with ready-to-use questions and conditional logic. If guests select attending as individual, they are prompted to submit form. If guests select attending as couple or as a family, they are prompted to answer additional questions about the other guests in their party. Customization is easy. Want to remove a section? Click the three dots and select Delete Section. Adding new sections is simple too. Click Add Section and drag it wherever you need it in your form. Please note if you delete, add or rearrange any sections, questions, you'll need to edit spreadsheet cell formulas. In form settings, edit the confirmation message with your personal details before publishing. Back in your Google Sheet, click Insert Image in cell. Click on Paint icon, then pick colors from your photos. Go to Format, Alternating Colors. Now it's time to link form to spreadsheet. This connection process might seem technical, but I'll walk you through each step so you understand exactly what's happening behind the scenes. In your Google form, navigate to the Responses tab and click Link to Sheets. You'll see two options. Create a new spreadsheet or select Existing Spreadsheet. This choice is crucial. Always choose Select Existing Spreadsheet because you want to use the formatted tracker I've created for you, not a new unformatted spreadsheet. Navigate through your Google Drive and select your renamed Wedding Planning Contact Collector spreadsheet. Click Insert and you'll see a confirmation that your form is now connected. Now here's where most people get confused, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Before you publish your form and receive responses, when Google Forms creates the connection, it generates a new tab called Form Responses with a number. This is your raw data repository. The Formatted Contact Collector tab needs to pull from this raw data tab. If your new tab shows up as Form Responses 2 or Form Responses 3 etc. instead of Form Responses 1, you'll need to rename it. Right-click on the tab, select Rename, and change it to exactly Form Responses 1, no extra spaces, no variations. This name must match precisely. They are properly connected when the text and formula for Contact Collector tab cell F3 is in color. Now you're ready to publish. Click Publish in your form. I've noticed that if you only select Publish, people logged out of their Google account or without a Google account can't complete form. To avoid this issue, I like to also share form. Change responder view from restricted to anyone with a link. Now copy responder link, shorten URL and share it with your party guests via text or email. After you publish and receive responses, to activate this formula connection, simply double-click on cell F3, then click anywhere else in the spreadsheet. This wakes up the formula and establishes the connection between your tabs. You'll know it's working when you see the guest information automatically populate in the summary section. If you see any #NA errors initially, don't panic. These disappear after you receive your first response, and then activate formula connection. Once this connection is established, your spreadsheet becomes a self-updating dashboard that grows with each response. No manual data entry required. The beauty of this formula is that it automatically updates whenever you select a different guest from the drop-down. As more responses come in, they'll automatically populate in your spreadsheet with a drop-down filter to view each guest's details individually. To recap the 2 formula actions you will need to take. 1. Before you publish and receive responses, rename Form tab to Form Responses 1. After you publish and receive your first responses, double-click on Contact Collector tab cell F3, then click anywhere else in the spreadsheet. That's it. You now have a personalized wedding planning contact collector questionnaire that will make sending out save the dates, invitations, and the like effortless. Have questions? Leave a comment or reach out to me on Etsy or on my website. I'm here to help.